Hi, thank you very much to watch my video. I try to talking to you lecture on soul and body role play. Soul, soul, and body role play. I believe that all of you are some images and some questions, and just like that I do. Here, soul, body. That is what is a living person. Living person. A person living is soul and body's harmony. Harmony. Then we are talking on this soul and body role plays. The soul is lighter, like H2, hydrogen. Body is heavy, like a stone. Yeah. So we are just all of movings, and body is step on ground. Soul is, just the sky, heaven. To what is that? Fly? Yeah, fly. So we just all of just people's livings, movings, move. Then it's what? Sleep is what is heavy, but working is stand on, run. So then this is what is this? Require, erect, stand up. This is, sleep is lowest position, but this is high position. But also we are just talking is sleeping. Here is sleep is like parallel to the ground. But it's, stand on working is, just vertical, horizontal, yeah. This is whole, just depend upon on the ground, but this is small ground, but all is sky, heaven. So this is require what is lighter, as like hydrogen. This is what? Just like heavy over stone. Yeah. So, this is, this very sleeping, right? Sleeping. This is, working. So, we comparison this another way is, just a human being. A human being is head, foot. Here is ground. Here is heaven. And just like this, this to the sky. This is what is like just blossom. This is kind of just what is that is connected to the heaven. Very light. Hydrogen, helium, gas. Yes. This is food is just like a root of a plant. Yes. So 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 then is if this what light, so, okay, we're talking on this, we import that. Soul is, lighter, body is heavy. Then is what is this is body roll only. This is what soul rolls. So soul is here is soul intended to soul. Soul is fly to the sky. But body is what is that is direct to ground. So body is ground and head is sky, heavens. So this so high, this human beings feel free. Any just the heavy or feelings, so runs. This is run, right? Run, work without any weight feeling. In this case is this working is what just soul of hydrogen, helium, or light, fly to the sky, so that in the running time is there's any just feeling of the heavy. But in this case is here is maybe running or working in the case is maybe the portion of soul work role is probably 90%. So in this case is just it's not body but soul. But in this case is a difference. This is maybe body is 90%. Just soul is 10%. Role plays. So we are just talking on this is soul and body role plays. Soul play. So just here we have questions. Although we are just imagine the questions, living and dead. Living and dead. Living is what is the soul plus body is living, but dead is soul to be 0 plus body equal die. Maybe soul plus bodies, problem to die. Yes. So to living then is soul and body's harmony. All of just watching my videos, maybe you are what is happening. The more important thing is, just running time is runs then is there is any feeling heavy. Truly, is most body is 100 kilograms, and then sometimes we have just cold ache time is body heavy, weight is really heavy. But this condition based health and excitement time is worse, just like fly. Feeling, flying. So then it's how to 100 kilometers is feeling the fly. That is why it's soul is strong. And I think there's some years I forgot trying to talking to you is Just the livings. Living is, what is that? Soul plus body, strong. Body is, kind of house. Soul's house. So body condition is strong. The body is hold souls. Much more some detail than is body power of hold souls. So body role is catching and hold souls. If body condition is deterioration, then is what is that? The hold power, hold soul power is make less than is soul is, soul is what is then? It's like hydrogen, helium. Very, just go, just apply any direction. So, two souls must be held by body. Body, hold, soul. Body role place is hold the souls. It is very important. If body is weak, then its soul is pure, because soul is what is volitant, like just volitant, airs, like this, runaways. The without body, without soul, body is what? Here body. It's only there is any can get up, because why? Just like hydrogen and helium gases, so soul is there is any functions. So then, impossible to run up, get up. We do not know until now. Yes, we have. Just the soul is, just fly. Body is, stand upon ground. So soul is heaven. Body is ground. Yes. If we die, then a person die, then is what is that? Is soul is one to the heavens, but body is do not stand upon it. Just sleeps. This is dead. This is life. Yes. We are just. This is really some. You are didn't anything about on this, but I think here we then is 100 kilograms. How to run, stand up on, how to just running very lightly, 100 kilometers, because souls functions. As that is, I'm trying to conclusion on these lections. Soul is make light of the body. Body is just stand upon ground. So ground, all of just natural living is ground, and all of natural livings is a person. This is ground, ground. This is heaven. This is soul. This is the body. Body is, just here ground. This is what is balance. Balance to not go down. But this is run to, just heavens. So, the soul is heavens. body is ground. So soul is, here. Soul is kind of just body is go erect, stand up, run, whole of moving time. Moving time, soul, it rolls. And then its body is resting time. Sleep, sit. In this case, body rolls. Body feeling is what is silent. What is that is kind of statistics. But just the soul is some moving and dynamics kind of. If a person to live is now must be soul and body's harmonies. Soul is vertical, body is horizontal. Say again is soul is vertical. Body is horizontal. Picture. Thank you very much. You're just watching my video. You must understand this. Sometimes we conditions some harder than is what is that? Soul conditions and body conditions. If soul condition is harder than is soul condition is bad, then feel heavy. But body condition is bad, then what? Cannot impact. Body condition heavy, then is what is? I don't know. This is kind of secret anyway. So soul condition is bad, then is body condition feeling is heavy. Soul bad, body feeling heavy. But soul condition good is body lighter. Yeah. It is very important. Soul is light part, body is heavy part. Yeah, this is some our today's times. Watching my video. My video name is Righteous Soul TV. We're talking. First time now is soul and bodies. Righteous Soul TV is illustrate souls. If you here watching me and keep just we are just based on this. We're talking diversifies. And thank you very much watching my video, soul and body and role play. Thank you very much.